You have probably seen a keyboard at least once in your daily life. Simply looking at its structure, a keyboard consists of keycaps, switches, and a PCB. How exactly do these things input letters? First, let's zoom on the PCB. The black chip in the center is the MCU, the brain of the keyboard. The remaining spaces are where the switches go. The MCU acts as the brain of the keyboard. It operates in a way that pressing a switch on designated pin outputs a character. This is the case for a 108-key keyboard. If one pin is designated per switch, the circuit diagram will look like this. If you look at the switch, it has two pins. The MCU connects to the switch, and the opposite side of the switch connects to ground. When the switch is pressed, the MCU's state changes to low, transmitting information to the PC. A design like this requires a lot of MCU pins. To overcome this, the circuit called a matrix was introduced. Let's take a numbered keypad as a simple example. A standard numbered keypad has 17 switches. A product of the rows and columns must be greater than. We will use a matrix arrangement like the following. The circuit is configured as follows. For simultaneous input, Schottky diodes are also connected. Each switch will perform the role of its designated switch. In this video, we learned about the operating principle of the keyboard. In the next video, we will learn about reed switches, which operates using magnets. Thank you for watching.